I would have never fallen in love with dance if it wasn't for Step Up 3D. This movie has inspired me to start dancing, which I never liked before. This movie was like an antidepressant for me. The dance sequence is terrific. The story is beautiful. The characters are amazing. And another good thing about the movie is the music and the OSTs. I love all the songs and the soundtracks featured in this movie. This movie is about love, friendship, togetherness. This movie is about conviction and standing up against all odds. I'm sure this movie has inspired many all around the globe, and I am one of them. I love Step Up 3D. When I first came across the trailer, I pretty much liked it, and I wanted to watch the movie because the interesting fact about Step Up 3D was that it was shot in 3D, the first ever dance 3D movie, and it was going to get released in 7.1's Dolby Surround audio format, which was quite interesting. And I was pretty excited because back then, 19 years old me, I hadn't watched any single 3D movie yet. So Step Up 3D is my first ever 3D movie, and the effective use of 3D, which blew my mind. When I came out of the theater, I was like, wow, so this is what 3D looks like, all the things and the characters coming out of screen, and that was speechless. So I wanted to watch the movie again, but a couple of days later I fell sick and I was contracted with jaundice. So I was home for 3 weeks, and I was advised by doctor not to go anywhere. And by the time I got recovered and I got doctor's approval that I can go to college and stuff, the movie was out of theater. The thing about India is that English movies don't last in India more than 2 to 3 weeks unless it's very famous and big budget movies like Avengers or Jungle Book or Star Wars. Not even Star Wars. What I love most about Step Up 3D is the songs they have featured and the OSTs. The official soundtrack is just amazing. And amongst them is The Spirit of the Radio, which is the most underrated song of 2010, I believe, and also my all-time favorite song. The effective use of 3D and the visual effects were mind-blowing. But of course, the dance sequence. And they have featured all the possible dance styles from breaking, locking, popping, b-boying, hip-hop, Indian Bollywood, tango. It's like all your favorite ice cream flavors are melting into one and you get to taste that. It's a visual treat for someone who is movie geek as well as someone who loves dancing. And of course, how can we forget shoes? So my favorite scene in the movie is, so the Moose and Camille are having conversation on the staircase, and Moose hears the radio from nearby ice cream truck, and then he pays him $5 so that he can turn up the volume, and then he persuades Camille for dancing with him, and that just lifts my mood. Battle of Red Hook. That features my guru, the robot dance guru. My most favorite OST, Spirit of the Radio and Club Can Handle Me. The robot guy and Moose. I love the fact that movie is less than 2 hours. It's the story is simple and easy to understand. The story starts with a guy who is on a college tour, bumps into another guy who happens to be the lead of the film, and then he invites him to join the team, his dance team. They do battles, they win, then the team falls apart. As the movie is about dancing, it perfectly depicts how dance can save and binds people together, and they win the final battle. It's just perfect, and the timing is perfect, the comedy is perfect, the emotion, it's not too overwhelming. Sometimes some movies, they focus more on emotions. The depiction of friendship, love, family is just wonderful. I love everything about Step Up 3D. There's this scene in the movie where Luke is sitting on a wall and he is observing traffic, and then Natalie joins him and he tells her that how he feels about looking at the traffic.
What you looking at? I come out here to listen. The river, the traffic, the birds. Make me feel like I'm part of something bigger.
Traffic makes you feel like you're a part of something bigger. That is deep.
It's not comedy, but you know, that does put a smile on your face. I learned dancing. Not that I'm a good dancer or something like that, but whenever I used to go up on stage, people used to praise and I got applauded several times. I even got over something called as stage fright or stage fear, and I don't think any of this would have been possible without Step Up 3D. Let's just say if this movie was never made, or if I hadn't watched that movie in theater, I would have never fallen in love with dance, I would have never practiced, and I would have never been on stage. And this was all possible because of one movie which inspired me to dance. And dance being one of the best workout form, I believe it contributes towards both. It contributes towards physical health as well as mental health. In the movie, when the bank puts the club for an auction, the team falls apart, and few of the team members, they decide to join the rival gang, the House of Samurai. And when the pirates team get back together, these few members, they still remain with the House of Samurais. And this depicts the reality that in real life, not everyone sticks around till the end. So you have to be prepared, you have to face it. And you cannot keep crying for what you lost, but you can make most out of it with what you have. To start with the bonus scenes, I would like to start with a deleted dance battle from the movie. Or should I say, trimmed battle. Being an editor myself, I am speculating that this battle was giving most of the information about pirates and samurais which weren't fully established yet, which leads to less anticipation from the audience, thus make the movie boring. Anyway, I'm sure you will love this battle and you will find the link in the description. After watching the movie hundreds of times and reading all about it on internet, I was finally able to recognize 3 choreographers and their cameos in Step Up 3D. Richmond and Anthony Talegua, Jamal Sims, and Dave Scott. Have you watched any dance video with glowing lines effect getting viral? Last year it was kind of trending on Instagram. But let me tell you a fun fact. Step Up 3D editors did those glowing line effects way before it was cool. I mean, how cool is that? I'm guessing that due to fifth movie's failure, they stopped making movies in Step Up series. I wish to go to Hollywood someday, and I hope you're listening, God, universe. And if that happens for real, I will do my best to revive this series. Anyway, I wish all the Step Up fans a happy 10th anniversary of Step Up 3D. And if you haven't watched the movie, please do. It's a beautiful movie.